You were cited disobey a traffic control device. You can admit or deny responsibility for this infraction, or you can admit with an explanation. How do you wish to proceed?
I would like to plead not guilty, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand so we can commence the hearing.
I observed a 2023 Honda Civic black in color, but disobeyed that solid red light in that intersection. And the light was red prior to the vehicle passing the limit line.
What direction was he going?
I believe he was heading northbound, if I remember correctly, on Greenfield.
Mr. Jacob Charlie?
Your Honor, the day of the incident, as Officer Moran has explained, it was very snowy conditions that day. I had pulled out of a parking lot after being with my friends at trivia, and the parking lot still had residue snow. My vehicle is a forward wheel drive, Your Honor. At the speed I was going, which was on 35, when I saw the yellow light, I knew for a fact with my vehicle, I would have slipped into the middle of the intersection. And if I had pressed my brakes at that moment, I would have possibly had a rear end collision with the vehicle that was behind me. I didn't want to risk that. And I understand that at the point that I did decide to pass, I passed it, or I decided to pass the solid red light. It was already too late. I did see the officer before the officer's lights were even on. I had pulled over to the side. I'm not someone that disobeys laws for the fun of it. I thought I was going to meet with a rear end collision because I had been seeing that my vehicle was slipping with like in snowy conditions that whole week.
Magistrate, I actually have the dash cam pulled up.
You want to show it?
Yeah, if you don't mind. I think it will contradict a little bit of what just was said a little bit. So, okay. I am driving southbound Greenfield coming up to the 13 light.
Okay.
Let me zoom in for you. Light is now green at 13 mile. Light is yellow. Light is red. Vehicle proceeds through the red light, and there's no vehicle behind the car. And the roads look pretty clear as also.
Thank you. You said you didn't want to get hit in the rear by a car behind you, but there was nobody behind you. Had there been a car behind you that went through the light, they would have got the ticket.
I completely understand, Your Honor. I see how I am at fault. I apologize. Your Honor, I do have a quick question. So I'm a student on an international visa. Currently, with everything that's going on, any sort of points or supposed black record is leading to termination of visas. I was wondering if I could possibly take a course to not have points on my license or somewhat.
That will happen with the Michigan Secretary of State. Now, the fine on this is $130. You can pay it online or by mail, or you can pay it at the courthouse counter if that's more convenient for you. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Your Honor.